Washington is scrambling to repair a relationship that suddenly turned icy with one of America's closest allies. Secretary of State Marco Rubio is heading to Rome this week in what insiders are calling a mission to thaw tensions between the United States, Italy, and even the Vatican. And this isn't another diplomatic photo op. The fallout reportedly exploded after President Trump publicly criticized Pope Leo over the war with Iran, sparking outrage across Italy and creating one of the strangest political clashes Americans have seen in years. A US president versus the first American born pope. Now, Rubio is expected to meet top Italian leaders and Vatican officials in hopes of calming things down before the situation damages military cooperation, trade ties, and America's influence in Europe. What makes this story so wild is how fast the relationship unraveled. Italy has long been one of America's strongest European partners, hosting thousands of US troops and backing NATO operations for decades. But recent disputes over the Middle East immigrations and Trump's fiery comments towards Pope Leo reportedly pushed tensions to a breaking point. Italian Prime Minister Giorgia Meloni, once viewed as one of Trump's closest allies in Europe, publicly defended the Pope. And suddenly, Washington and Rome found themselves on opposite sides of a diplomatic storm. Now, European leaders are watching carefully because if the US starts clashing openly with allied governments and the Vatican at the same time, it could weaken America's leverage across Europe at a moment when global instability is already growing. And here is why Rubio's visit matters far beyond Italy. The Vatican may not look powerful in the traditional sense, but it influences more than a billion Catholics worldwide, including millions of American voters. Pope Leo has become increasingly outspoken on war, immigration, and humanitarian issues, and his criticism of recent US foreign policy has clearly struck a nerve in Washington. Rubio, who is Catholic himself, is now stepping into a diplomatic balancing act that could define whether tensions cool down or spiral further. Reports suggest he'll meet Vatican Secretary of State Petro Parolin and senior Italian officials, but it's still unclear whether he'll meet the Pope directly. That uncertainty alone shows how fragile things have become behind closed doors. There is also a military angle here that Americans shouldn't ignore. Trump recently floated the possibility of reducing US troop presence in parts of Europe after disagreements with allied leaders, and Italy reported fears it could become part of that conversation. That matters because Italy is strategically critical for US military operations in Europe, North Africa, and Middle East. If relations worsen, it could complicate logistics, intelligence coordination, and further NATO planning. In other words, this isn't just a political drama, it has real world consequences for American security and global influence. Rubio's trip is basically damage control before frustrations turn into long term strategic fractures. What's fascinating is how personal this entire conflict has become. Usually, diplomatic disputes stay hidden behind carefully worded press releases. But this one exploded into public view with sharp comments, political insults, and growing ideological differences. Pope Leo has openly criticized wars, escalation, and immigration crackdowns, while Trump allies argue the administration is protecting American strength and security. Now, Rubio is being sent in as the negotiator who might still have credibility with both sides. If succeeds, Washington could stabilize relations before the NATO summit seasons heat up. If he fails, America could face deeper fractures with European partners at a time when China, Russia, and conflicts in the Middle East are already stretching US diplomacy thin. For Americans watching tonight, this story is bigger than Rome. It's really about whether the United States can keep its alliance together during an increasingly chaotic global moment. The outcome could affect military strategic, foreign policy, immigration debates, energy markets, and even the 2026 political climate back home. Rubio's trip may look like diplomacy on the surface, but behind it is a high stake effort to stop a growing international divide before it becomes something much harder to repair. And over the next few days, every handshake, every meeting, and every statement coming out of Rome will be watched closely, not just by Europe, but by the entire world. If you like the video, please do consider subscribing my channel and stay with me. I will be back with another video. Till then, goodbye.